Yo, I'm gonna teach you how to do the raining effect. So all you need is like a clip of photo or like a clip of a couple photos. So I'm going to use the outside photos I have for my thing. Make them all short. That's what you want. And then it's gonna have to be in videos because it's a raining effect. But click layer and then click media and then click media and then click shop. And then there's a bunch. You want to buy this one. So I'll buy one just for you. Just buy rainfall. I'm buying something. Actually, I want to buy this too. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you with one. Click videos and then going to make it where it starts falling. And then click chroma key for if it's a green screen. I don't know what I'm doing. As you can see, you can do that. But today it's about rainfall, so as you can see, there's that. But click videos and then click your rainfall video. Pick this rainfall version. And then click alpha opacity, and there you go. And there you go. But I'm going to do the original rainfall. It's just this one. But we are going to do alpha opacity. And all it does is make it look a little dark. And that's it. So you're done. Bye bye.